Hello students. Today I am going to tell you a new chapter of grammar models. You know very well that models are of different types. These model also known as auxiliaries verb and they are of 13 types: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, used to, ought to, need to, dare. These are the modal auxiliaries verbs. Now, each and every auxiliary verb perform a different task. Now we are going to read it clearly one by one, that what type of works or deeds are performed by these models. Now first of all, I am going to tell you about can. Can. In Hindi, when we use can in a particular sentence, in Hindi there is a meaning सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं. जैसे वह पेड़ पर चढ़ सकता है, राम यह प्रश्न हल कर सकता है, वगैरह वगैरह. सो कैन एज ए मॉडल denotes or show these things. First of all, ability. Ability means mental ability, how a person is able. It shows mental ability of a person in present time. In the same way, capacity. Capacity means physical power, the physical power of a person in present time. Now the third thing, giving permission, when the permission is granted. So in granting permission, can is used. And the fourth one, negative possibility, when there is possibility but in negative form. जैसे बारिश नहीं हो सकती है, वगैरह वगैरह. So if there is ability in present time, there is capacity in present time, if the permission is being given, and if there is negative possibility, we will have to apply can model. Now you can see the exercise like this. Number 1, he is intelligent means someone. We are talking about someone who is intelligent means he has mental ability. He blank solve this question. उसके अंदर एबिलिटी है कि वो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकता है. सो यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई कैन हियर. ओके. नाउ सी द सेकंड. शी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. नाउ it is showing someone's physical strength, means he or she is powerful. So it is showing physical capacity. That's why she blank lift this bag. वह यह बैग उठा सकती, means she is capable enough to lift the bag. That's why you will have to apply can here. Now in the third one, you can see, yes, you blank come in, means it is giving permission. It is granting permission someone to enter the room. That's why we will have to apply can here. And in the fourth one is, it blank not ran today. It is negative possibility, and in negative possibility you will have to apply once again can. Now could. What does the could do? Now see, कैन के पास्ट रूप में हम कुड का यूज़ करते हैं. सो वॉट एवर द थिंग्स डिनोटेड बाई कैन इन प्रेजेंट टाइम, द सेम विल बी डिनोटेड और शोन बाई कुड इन पास्ट टाइम. सो कुड मीन्स सकता था, सकती थी, मतलब भूतकाल में वो ऐसा कर सकता था. तो भूतकाल की एबिलिटी इन पास्ट, जब पास्ट टाइम में कोई इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, तो मेंटल रूप से, तो उसको शो करने के लिए कुड का प्रयोग। कैपेसिटी इन पास्ट, व्हेन समवन वाज पावरफुल इन पास्ट फिजिकली। एंड द थर्ड वन इज इंटेंस पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, व्हेन समवन डज इंटेंस पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट कुड will be used. Clear? Now once again, ability in past, capacity in past, and intense polite request. Now how can we come to know that the giving sentence belongs in past tense? So see, was were represent past tense, is am are represent present tense. So when there is was were, beware that we are talking about past but not present. So when he was young, जब वह युवा था या जवान था, अभी नहीं, अभी बूढ़ा है वो. When he was young, he blank climb on tree means he was capable enough to climb on tree. So you will have to apply could here. See second exercise. Mohan was intelligent. We are not talking about present time, we are talking about past time. Mohan was intelligent, that's why he get first rank means he was able enough to get first rank means you will have to apply could here. Okay, you will have to apply could. And in third exercise, there is blank in the beginning of the sentence and there is question mark in the end. That's why the sentence is quite different. It comes in the category of a polite request. So when request is made, you will have to apply could here. Now I think you have understood everything. So write these things in your notebook, click the photo and send it to me. Okay, thank you.